In this video, I will show you how to add captions to YouTube videos. So let's get straight into it. What you're going to want to do first is open up youtube.com and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. After this, what you're going to do is click onto your profile icon, which is up in the top right hand corner, and then you want to come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So from here, what you're going to want to do is come across and click onto content in the menu on the left hand side, and then you just want to go through and choose the videos that you want to add a caption to. So we're just going to take this top one as an example, and what you would do is hover over the video and click the pencil icon which says details, which is going to take you across to the actual video details. And then what you're going to do from here is just come to the menu on the left hand side, and you just want to scroll down until you get to the subtitles option. So subtitles is just basically another word for captions. So you just want to go and give that a click. And then what you can do is choose the language for the subtitles. So you can see there's quite a few different languages that are supported by YouTube. In this example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose English. And obviously you can tick the box to make that the default for your channel. And then you just want to click the blue confirm button down here. So once that's done, you can see that this has added the subtitles. You can see that's been published automatically. What you can do, you can edit this further if you want to. So you can just basically click onto the add button over here. And then what you can do, you've got a couple of options available. So you can actually auto sync first of all, which means YouTube's automatically going to transcribe your video and put the subtitles on. This does work, but it's not 100% accurate. There are some words that won't come out correctly because obviously it's not accurate. It's being done by sort of the YouTube system. So if you want a more accurate way to do it, what you can do is click onto the type manually button down here. And you can, if you want to, just go ahead and transcribe the video yourself. You can see as I'm typing this, it's coming up on the video, so you can see exactly where this is going to come up. So that's another option you can do. If you don't want to do that, there's also an option to, if you've wrote a script for your video, you can actually upload your script onto the video. So you just want to come back and click onto the upload file button, and then you can choose to add the timing or without timing, and you would just go ahead and basically, you can see the difference. If I select without timing, it says YouTube will sync your subtitles to your video's audio. Processing may take a while, and just bear in mind this is for a .txt file only. So you want to make sure it's in that format to upload, and then you would just click continue and obviously choose your file and upload it. YouTube's going to go ahead and add that to your video. So once you've done that, what's going to happen, that's going to automatically add the subtitles. So when anyone clicks on your video, they have got the option to add captions or subtitles onto the video. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if this did help you out, then please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one.